If you need to back up your forms or move them from one location to another, Gravity Forms has you covered. From within your WordPress admin dashboard, select Forms and then select Import/Export. Navigate to the Export Forms tab and select the forms you would like to migrate or back up. Then, select Download Export File. Gravity Forms will create a JSON file that contains all of your form settings and will save it to your computer. The JSON file will serve as your backup file and should be saved in a secure location. If you are planning on moving a form from one location to another, or if you would like to import a backup file, navigate to the Import Forms tab. Upload the JSON file that you created moments ago and select Import. If successful, you should see a message stating that your forms have been successfully imported. You can then navigate to your forms and see all of the forms you imported. If you need help exporting form entries, be sure to check out our Gravity Boost video on that topic, linked in the description. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.